Hello there, welcome to Ultimate Blocks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create nested tabs in WordPress. And if I talk about nested tabs briefly, nested tabs is one of the major elements to organize and show your data to your user. And nested tab can showcase your data in a short area with several tabs. So let's create it together in WordPress. And today I'll use Ultimate Blocks plugin to create a nested tabs, and I'll show you how to create it, and I'll show you a practical example how you can use and customize your nested tabs. So let's get started. First, go to WordPress dashboard, and from here, go to plugin, click on add new plugin. Okay, here search Ultimate Blocks. See, here's the Ultimate Blocks plugin. I've already installed it and activated it. So you need to install and activate it. After installation and activation, we are ready to go to create nested tabs. So let's create a new post and give it a short title. Okay. From here, I can type slash or click on plus to add a new block. I'm clicking on plus here, and I will search tabbed content. Tabbed content is a block provided by Ultimate Blocks. Click on tabbed content, and then you will get a skeleton like this. Here is a ready-made tab already created. Let's customize it like intro. You can click on plus to add another tab like step 1, and you can click another and click another. So every tab is customizable. Here each tab has a separate and dedicated section like this. Here you can add many things as you want. You can add text, you can add button, you can add images. I'll show you all in a bit later. Here you can type or you can add another block. So I'm adding from here, I'm adding another block. Again, I'm adding tabbed content. So searching for tabbed content, see. Again, I'm adding tabbed content. So you'll get another bunch of tabs you can add here. Here I'm adding just skeleton. I'll show you a practical example which I have created a bit later. Now these tabs are horizontally aligned. If you want them vertically aligned, then go to right hand side options panel and click on styles tab. And from here, just go to tab layout and tab display, just make it vertical. See, now these tabs are horizontally aligned. So you can add anything from here. See, by clicking on plus, you can add any kind of block here, and these all are separate blocks. Here you're seeing the skeleton which is ready. I'm not going to type here to save your time. I'm going to show you a ready-made nested tab which I have created for you. Let's see. Here I have changed the title here, like step 1, step 2, step 3, and I have changed the color. Let's see how to change the color. Go to right hand side options panel, click on the styles tab and active tab color. When you will change the active tab color, the color will be visible here, and you can change several kinds of color like tab color, active tab color, tab title color. Tab title color I have set black. Okay, active tab title color. Active title color basically this, and content color is white, and content background. So content color, you can change the content color, like here is a text, so you can change the text color, and content background, you can change the content background. I want to show you something. See, you can change the content background from here. Okay, let's see some more customization. So when I'll click on step 1, see, I have nested another tabbed content in here, and which is vertical. See, at the first tab, I've added a list. This is a list block. And here is the interesting thing. I've added a secondary text. How? You can add a secondary text from here. Go to right hand side options panel. Just enable it. Tab title secondary text. You can add tab title icon. Icon would be visible. You can add tab title image. So you can customize it as your own. And see, at the next step, I've already added an image. This is an image block, added an image. So if you wanna show an image, then you can add. And at a third block, I have added nothing. So you can add anything. If you don't find it here, you can click on browse all. And from here, you can add anything. See, here you can add a wholesome section. Everything is customizable and everything is free. So this is all. I think this is the most easiest way to add a nested tabs in your website. If you find this video helpful, we have several videos in our channel about WordPress. You can subscribe our channel to get the latest tips and tricks regarding WordPress. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thank you.